Hello there, it's me again, Simple Fix. I just want to share to you my new pulse motor, but this is dual coil. I made this like Adams motor, similar like Adams motor. Uh, 2 days ago, I built just one coil and one reed switch, one battery. Just watching running and running, and it's just like just draining the battery, doing nothing. So I decided to do something to help the battery recharge. So I made another coil and another switch. So two coils, two reed switch, and two battery inside, and 4 diodes. Here's the schematic. I saw this a long time ago in YouTube. I forgot his username. It's a long time ago, and I can find on YouTube. I'll search on it. I can find it. But this is a circuit. I call that simple reed switch the motor. 10 ohms coil, reed switch, and 4 diode IN5819. That's the battery and the reed switch. When this is closed, the other one is open, and when this open, it's collapsed, making back EMF going to the other battery. And when this is closed, that's gonna open and do something there, the same thing. The back EMF going to the other battery, so helping each other. So no, it's not too bad. I'm not claiming over unity or something, but I just wanna share. It's this sitting almost a couple of hours now. It's not draining or it's not increasing, but the other one do the same thing. When I start, it's 1.255, it's increasing, and the other one is same, almost couple of hours now. So there you go. This is only for educational purpose only, and it's only for experimenting. I don't know how long it's gonna be run for that. That battery is charging the other way and charging the other one. Okay. If you make a better coil, that's gonna give a better charge. But this is only experimental. So. Hope this is interesting for you guys. Okay. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.